Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We publish new videos every day. Don't forget, grab your smartphone and download the Lava Matra app and stay in touch. Guru Maharaj's message is your advantage. The following is a Sri Krishna Chaitanya book compilation given by His Holiness Jayapataka Swami Maharaj on February 9th, 2021 in Sri Mayapur, India.
Pangum langai the girim yat krupaha tamham vande Sri Guru Paramananda Madhavam Sri Chaitanya Ishwaram Hari Om.
Hare Om Tat Sat.
Sri Krishna Chaitanya book compilation. Today's chapter entitled as Venkata of Sri Rangakshetra invites Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to his house, part 3. Murari Gupta Kharcha. O Supreme Soul, dear Prabhu, kindly always show your mercy to your servants. We have heard through Shastra that in your present avatara, your Lordship is showering this universe with immortal mercy and nullifying the power of Maya. Certainly, none other than Krishna himself can deliver all moving and non-moving living entities. He, Nata, the rainy season has now begun. Hey Nata, the rainy season has now begun. Kindly show your grace to this servant and bless him.
So Venkata is begging Lord Chaitanya for his mercy.
So Venkatapata is begging Lord Chaitanya for his mercy.
Since the rainy season starts, normally at that time people will not travel.
So normally during this rainy season, people would not travel.
And maybe Lord Chaitanya will stay at the house of Venkatapata
Maybe Lord Chaitanya would stay at the house of Sri Venkatapata
for the 4 months of the rainy season.
for the 4 months of the rainy season. Chaitanya Charitamrita.
বেঙ্কট ভট্টের প্রভু সেবা তদ্গৃহে চাতুর্মাস্য যাপন জন্য প্রার্থনা নিজ ঘরে লইয়া কইল পাদ প্রক্ষালন সেই জল লইয়া কইল সবংশে ভক্ষণ.
Sri Venkatapata took Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to his home. After he washed the Lord's feet, all the members of his family drank the water.
This is the custom in India.
This is the custom in India.
Wash the sannyasi's feet and drink the water.
You wash the sannyasi's feet and drink the water.
He understood Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was Krishna himself.
He understood that Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was Krishna himself. Murari Gupta Kharcha. After hearing these eloquent words from his devotee, Mahaprabhu embraced him and entered his home. That intelligent Brahmana then lovingly washed the Lord's lotus feet, and he placed that water upon his head and drank it together with his family and friends.
ভিক্ষা করাইয়া কিছু কইল নিবেদন চাতুর্মাস্য আসি প্রভু হইল উপশন.
After offering lunch to the Lord, Venkatapata submitted that the period of Chaturmasya had already arrived. Murari Gupta Kharcha. The master of the universe became situated peacefully, and out of feelings of deep love Tirumala Bhatta rendered service to him, assisted by his wife, children, and relatives. While the Brahmana's son named Gopala stood by Prabhu's side, the Lord glanced on him, his heart melting out of mercy for him. The son of Sachi placed his lotus foot upon the boy's head and said, "Just chant the name of Hari." The heart of Gopala became filled with jubilation. From that time on, abandoning all boyish games, Gopala solely engaged his time in singing the names of Krishna and dancing.
Such is the mercy of Lord Chaitanya.
Such is the mercy of Lord Chaitanya.
চাতুর্মাস্য কৃপা করি রহ মোর ঘরে কৃষ্ণ কথা কহি কি পায় উদ্ধার আমারে।
Venkata Bhatta said, "Please be merciful to me and stay at my house during Chaturmasya. Speak about Lord Krishna's pastime and kindly deliver me by your mercy."
বেঙ্কট ভট্ট গৃহে প্রভুর চাতুর্মাস্য যাপন। তার ঘরে রহিলা প্রভু কৃষ্ণ কথা রসে ভট্ট সঙ্গে গোঙাইল সুখে চারি মাসে।
Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu remained at the house of Venkata Bhatta for 4 continuous months. The Lord passed his days in great happiness, enjoying the transcendental mellow of discussing Lord Krishna's pastimes.
Think what mercy Venkata Bhatta had. The Lord stayed in his house for
And,
4 months.
and what mercy Venkata Bhatta had for the Lord staying in his house for 4 continuous months.
তার প্রেমে মহাপ্রভু তার বশ হইয়া চাতুর্মাস্য বঞ্চিল পরম প্রীতি পাইয়া।
Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
being controlled by the Brahmanas,
being controlled by the Brahmanas,
loving service,
loving service,
the Lord stayed in his house
the Lord stayed in his house
to observe Chaturmasya.
to observe Chaturmasya.
He was by satisfying the desires of Venkat Bhatta.
He was satisfying the desire of Venkat Bhatta,
Receiving supremely overwhelmed with love.
being supremely overwhelmed with love. Chaitanya Charita Mahakavya. The merciful Lord stayed at the house of Trimalla Bhatta and passed 4 months there performing necessary rites with great happiness. Murari Gupta Kacha. In this way, the infallible Sri Hari, his heart enlivened by the blissful mellows of Sri Krishna Sankirtana, resided throughout the rainy season in Rangashetra, well honored with offerings of bhiksha from the Brahmanas.
Sri Rangam had many Brahmanas.
Sri Rangam has many Brahmanas.
I understand from this that the Brahmanas were very happy to feed the Lord.
The Brahmanas were very happy to feed the Lord
Prasad.
with prasadam, Krishna prasadam.
So this way, all received the mercy of the Lord.
In this way, all received the mercy of the Lord. Murari Gupta Kacha. The leader of Rasikas, whose body was as beautiful as golden Mount Meru, became intoxicated by descriptions of the names and qualities of Sri Krishna. As he delighted in this way in the moods of Srimati Radhika, his body became washed by tears of prema, and his voice was choked by tears.
Lord Chaitanya was experiencing loving ecstasy.
Lord Chaitanya was experiencing ecstasy, loving ecstasy.
Loving tears of prema
Loving tears of prema
flowed from his eyes.
flowed from his eyes.
His voice was choked up
His voice was choked up
with emotion.
with emotions. Thus ends the chapter entitled Venkata Bhatta of Sri Rangashetra invites Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to his house.
I don't think anyone else got such mercy.
I don't think anyone else got such mercy.
In Navadip, he always stayed in his own house.
In Navadip, he is always on his own house.
Here he stayed 4 months in Srirangam.
Here he stayed 4 months in Srirangam
The different Brahmanas.
and accepted prasada from different brahmanas.
What mercy.
What mercy!
Do you like our ad-free videos? Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We publish new videos every day, and don't forget to like and share our channel.